Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming to my live, guys. I really appreciate, guys. Madam Baby Channel, mega love shout out. Nasa train ako ngayon, guys. I'm in the train now. Mega love shout out everybody. Nobody in my coach. Thank you, Copy Strong. Thank you so much. Madam Baby Channel, how are you? Kumusta po? Na napapa-English. International. So that's why I speak a bit of English and Malay. Yeah, you're right. So I really appreciate I want to live 1 hour. Sa Kalam AG Mix Vlog, thank you so much for coming. Nasa train ako ngayon. Train is, magbabiyahe po ako. Ayan. Galing po ako ng Uwa. Kinulit ko na po yung Copy Strong. Thanks so much for your support. I really appreciate, guys. AAG Channel Mix Vlog. Sa Kalam Sir Lodi. Thank you, thank you. Ayan yung lumang train, ha. Yan. Mega love shout out everyone. Salamat. Galing ako ng Uwa. Kinuli ko lang yung kontrata ko. So, pauwi na ako sa bahay ng bossing. One hour lang naman update.
Station familiar.
Station, next station, Kajang. Connecting station. Kajang Station. Walang taong marami, guys. Naka street yung pa ako kasi wala namang tao kaya paunat-unat muna. Pira pa jam, 1 jam lagi. Copy Strong, 1 jam lagi. 1 jam lagi. Ya, ke rumah. 1 jam lagi. Hoy, itu 1 train, oh. Dia sudah jalan yang 1 train. So na napag-KL, Kuala Lumpur. Terus